Alright guys, you were asking me to make a video on how to get the Gardenscapes mod, so here it is, unlimited stars and coins as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It fully works guys, so let's get into the video. It's so cool because Gardenscapes is not an easy game to hack, but I think I found a hack for it. So go to zoomods.com and type in garden and you should see Gardenscapes mod, so press on it and it's going to start downloading it onto your device. So pretty cool. So let's just wait for it to download here as you can see. So yeah, it's pretty wild. So I'm just gonna let it download, So let's go. Now before it downloads, we do have to do a verification, which means we have to download 2 apps, or like 3 or 2, and complete some instructions. 100% free from official app store. So as you'll see in a second, it's gonna say please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. Additional files are required for the mod to run. If some don't work, try others. So there's going to be around 4 of these apps. You just have to download 2 of them. I usually go for like Family Island because all you have to do is reach level 15. But they've also got some other ones like Alibaba. You just got to download and run for 30 seconds. Misplay, whatever. Just pick your app, press tap to install, and it brings you to the Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store. But then you just got to download the app. So just like download it, reach level 15, whatever it's said to do. This one's down and run for 30 seconds, so it's pretty easy, but that's how to do the Gardenscapes hack in 2025. Fully updated and everything, so no ban on your Gardenscapes profile. So you guys are going to be pretty excited about this one. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go and subscribe because as you can see, I got free coins and free stars, which is wild. So yeah, this is pretty sick. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you in another video. Yeah, tell your friends about it because more people need to be educated about this hack.